Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a disconnected skin fade. Skin fades involve so many steps that nowadays tutorials like these need to be shown over and over and over again. You never know what you can learn from watching another skin fade tutorial. The final shot of this haircut, guys, as you know, I saved for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Now, before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any more tutorials. All right, guys, let's begin.
All right, guys, the first step here is to establish the guideline. This isn't necessarily a drop fade or a low fade, but I still want to cover some of that occipital bone. This is the reason why I'm choosing to create my guidelines here. For this exercise, I'm using the 32 ACP by Caliber. Next, I remove the unwanted hair. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. To create the baldness on the side, I use a foil shaver. The foil shaver I'm using for this exercise is the RPG by Caliber. Now it's time to remove the bald line. To do this, I start with the clipper's blade fully extended, and each time I pass through a section, I close the blade little by little. I keep doing this until the blade is completely closed and the line is gone. Just watch. Attach a foreguard and close the blade. Because the top is disconnected, I'm only going to deal with the sides. As you can see, the top of the hair has been pulled away from the blend. The clipper I'm using is the 44 Magnum FMJ by Caliber. Attach a 3-guard and close the blade. Repeat the same steps, just like you did with the last guard. Attach a 2-guard and close the blade. Repeat the same steps. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. At this point, you're going to have to start playing with the lever because you're getting into the shorter hairs now. and the blend is going to require more precision. Try not to cut the hair at the top of the blend. When you pass through a section, close the blade and repeat. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Remember to stay away from the top of the blend. When you finish passing through a section, close the blade and repeat. Attach a 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. After passing through a section, close the blade just a little bit. You can use the notches on the side and repeat. By the time the clipper's lever is in the center position, the line should be gone. Watch closely. The next step is to create the C-cups. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. The final step is to clean it all up with a razor. If your disconnected skin fade looks like this or better, you have done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember guys, always stay practicing. All of my clippers and trimmers have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.